வணக்கம். ஜாதி மத இன வேற்றுமையின்றி பல்வேறு சமுதாயங்களுக்கு இடையே அமைதியையும் நல்லிணக்கத்தையும் பராமரிப்பதுதான் நமது நாட்டின் அடித்தளமாக விளங்குகிறது என்று முதலமைச்சர் திரு மு கருணாநிதி கூறியிருக்கிறார். டில்லி தொலைக்காட்சிக்கு அவர் அளித்த பேட்டியில் அரசியலிலிருந்தும் அரசின் இயக்கத்தில் இருந்தும் மதத்தை முற்றிலுமாக நீக்கி வைக்க வேண்டும் என்று கூறியிருக்கிறார்.
The secular principle, which is enshrined in the Constitution, has important implications. Basically, it means that religion should be strictly kept out of both politics and government. The state cannot discriminate in favor of or against any particular religion. On the part of political parties, it implies that no issue of a religious nature can be allowed to become a political issue. This means that no political party should be allowed to adopt a religious issue as part of its program of political activity. In a democracy, political power and following from that state power is based on the wishes of the majority. If the majority tries to impose its will purely on the grounds of its religious persuasion, the secular principle is undermined. In such a circumstance, religious minorities cannot be assured of the religious freedoms. This is the centenary year of Dr. Ambedkar. Ambedkar said, "The meaning of freedom is that the government should run with the consent and cooperation of the minority. India must remain a garden in which many flowers of rich colors flourish together." This is the wishes of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Anna, which we must resolve to uphold.